Hi and welcome. Today we'll create a logo with the help of Dall E. So I will provide one expression, just one expression, and it will create me a lot of logo designs, which I then can choose from it. So in the below, from the description, you can copy the link and you can click on the link and you will be landed on this page. Once you landed on this page, you can just sign up for free and you'll get 50 credits for free. You can then click on this try Dall E. So from here you can see that I have 27 free credits right now. So here I will provide an expression. For example, create a logo design 3D abstract. I'll then say modern and filled with gradients. So I'll just click on generate. So I'll just provide here, specify which type of logo or what logo should Dall E create. Create a logo design for letter H. So I'll just click on generate, then wait a little bit, and on the right side you can see the history of your images that you have generated. You can, if you don't like any of this design, you can then click on generate again and it will generate more designs for you. Generate until you get your desired logo. Okay, so finally I have got a beautiful logo that I like. You can then download it. Once you are satisfied with your result and downloaded the image, you can then place it in the Adobe Illustrator. And now you have to trace it. So if you don't know how you can trace it, you can watch my previous video. The link will be in the description. So first of all, we will lock this image and create a new layer, so it won't move as we are working on it. So please watch my previous video if you don't know how you can trace an image or a logo. Okay, once you're done with that, then hide the layer of this image. Now apply any solid color, for example this blue color, and just take it aside a little bit over here and go to layers panel, and now we will copy gradient colors from this image. Okay, so just unlock it at first and resize it a little bit. Okay, now I'll copy colors from this image. For applying gradients, we will pick this color panel, swatches panel, and the gradient panel. We'll attach these all together and place it over here like this. Now we'll copy color from this image. Okay, once we have copied this color, and we'll paste this color on this panel. You should already know how to apply gradient colors. If you don't know, you can watch my previous video. The link to that video will be in the description. The purpose of making this video is clear, that you can create a beautiful logo using DALL-E and artificial intelligence, and you can create awesome designs in just no time. Now I'll add some shadow. To add shadow, go to the appearance and click on FX, then go to the stylize. Over here you can see the drop shadow, and then decide X offset and Y offset. So I'll go for minus Y, minus 5px for example, and minus 6px, or around 7, around minus 15px. Okay, so once you do that, then what you have to do is place this shape on the front of all shapes. So for example, right click on it and then go to arrange and click on the bring to front. Okay, now go to the stylize section on the drop shadow and click on this, adjust the opacity according to your desired, according to your requirement. So okay, so you have got the idea how you can give the drop shadow. So I'm leaving it right now as it is. So this was the video about how you can create a logo with DALL-E. So if you find this video helpful, give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.